Hi there, Chris here. Here's a real quickie. We have this Eagle. It's a beautiful padlock. It has the same keyway as a herd. And if you look here, here's a herd key. And these other keys are Eagle keys. Now, the interesting thing about these is that they will open clockwise and counterclockwise. And when I pick them, I find they're easier to open counterclockwise. So I thought I would do a real quick one on here. Let's see, how do I do this? There we go. And I am going to use the Snowman, the most underrated profile in lock sport, I like to say. And that's the reason. There you go. Thank you. Nice assist from the Snowman. Anyway, so this is a cool Eagle. I just got this in a huge package from Bear's Back. I'm leaving town package, and I need to get rid of some locks. So as I stated in that opening video, a lot of these will be going out in packages that I'm sending to people all over. So anyway, thanks for watching. Hit the like, subscribe, leave a comment, and we will see you next time.